Today I put the Schwinn bell on this 1970 Orange Krate. Got this from Vinny on eBay. You gotta check out his auctions. I'll put his eBay ID on the posting here, so if you want to check out his auctions, you never know what he might be putting on there. Got everything on the dash here. Got the razor horn. I don't have any batteries in it right now because I don't want it to forget about it and corrode the battery cage in there, same as the ball light. And this is one of my favorite colors of the Orange Krate series. This is a 70. Towards the end, they went to a sunset orange, more of a burnt looking orange. Wasn't my type of color. I wouldn't mind having the disc brake of it. It's worth a lot of money now. This one here, the chrome is immaculate. Of course, I keep it up in good shape too. They detail it just about every ride. It's got the Joe Crawford seat. You gotta check out his auctions. He has a few seats every once in a while he puts on his auction, or even contact him if you want to get a recover done on all the Krate models and the Stingray models and the early Stingray polo seats. Check them out. Does good work. Pretty tight, snug. Got the Stingray turn signal here. I'll move the bike a little bit here. I have not got it hooked up yet because I'm trying to see if I'm going to route it. Probably going to leave it here. I don't want to have it all dangling and, I'm not a harness person. Kind of throws the image off the bike, so I might just kind of like loop it under here and probably just tie the extra slack up in here, just kind of hide it up in there and just put it right here. But there's the switch for it. This came out in, this is a reissue, came out like around mid-2000. So, I like the Stingray taillights. I had two of them, but when I sold my bikes, I sold everything with it. But those go for quite a bit of money.